Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the O-ring seals in your fuel connector. So if you plan on using any of these tools, you are going to be doing it wrong. We're going to go ahead and get rid of those and get this guy. That is a little holding fixture tool which will help you install the O-rings into here. What you're going to do is remove this screw, well, back it out a little, remove the rod, and then insert the screw all the way in. Now this tool is made to be held in a vise. That's why it has that shape to it. But I don't have a vise. Well, I do, but it's dirty and disgusting and huge, so I'm not going to be putting it on this clean work surface. So basically what you're going to be doing is putting your fuel connector in a little tool, taking your little hammer here, or your little rod, starting it in through the back. You're going to be getting a hammer and tapping it out. So what that did was removed all of the inners. Let's take our rod back out, save it for our next one. Now I'm only going to be doing one side, but same for the other side. And there is our little O-ring. So pretty easy to change. Just get in there with something small. I guess that tool I just took off and threw over here is what I'm going to use. I'm going to pry out that old hard O-ring, install your new one, put the little washer cap thing back on, if I can pick it up, put that back in, followed by the spring, put it back into the hole of your connector. Now what you should do is get a pipe cleaner or something and get inside there and clean that out. If you wanted to, you get a wire wheel and clean all the bushings and the spring and everything too. But this is just a demonstration, so I'm not going to do any of that. So position that back in, push it in a little bit. This tool has two little holes. Put those back inside of there. Hammer that back in, and you've now replaced the O-ring in your fuel connector. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. I wish you would. My one subscriber I have right now isn't really cutting it. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Otherwise, have a good one. One last thing before I go. I want to show you why you should change these O-rings. This is the one I just took out. If you expect that to seal anything, well, I don't know.